What up? Oh. What's going on? We are back. Boom, boom. What up, Austin? Jim Blab? Yo, I don't understand what happened. I've been gone. I've been gone for so long. I am finally back. Back to make some money. Hope you like that. Oh, man. The new thumbnail? I don't know which one. I think I'm just using the stock one. It's 1:10 a.m. there. That's late. That's late. You should probably move so it's not so late when you trade. Boom. Yo, somebody just subscribed. Who just subscribed? Oh, Lee Lash Bokar. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Yo, we're going to do a Take Profit Trader giveaway, by the way. I felt the need to do a TPT giveaway for this week on Twitter. If you want to join, go join. If you don't want to join, don't join. If you can't trade at TPT, I can't help you out. Get in before the pricing goes up. There is nothing in the Iranian text indicating acceptance of removing enriched nuclear materials from the country. Dude, it's so funny. Trump says the ceasefire is on massive life support, and then he literally says, like 3 minutes later, it's very possible there'll be a diplomatic solution with Iran. Yo! Welcome, welcome. We are, we're doing well today. Doing pretty good today. Here's what all the accounts look like. I don't have them all on my screen, but man, oh man, oh man. Man, I'm just looking. This freaking gold thing's got a dump. Price action has been really freaking. Gold's dot just died off. Like, that is just a die off. This shit's just back up to highs. The power of ruling with an iron. Oh, neat. I'll be honest with you. I've been green. Yo, this is real talk. Ever since Apex enabled gold, I've been pretty much green every day. And the reason is I don't really have to focus on NQ that much now that I can trade gold everywhere. I'm not trying to trade NQ and forcing trades, although I did trade NQ today. This was an NQ account. But I'm not forcing it. You know what I mean? So like I don't have to see red on my screen anymore. Like, you know, I just crush it and just I'm waiting. I was waiting. Probably not gonna come down that far. See where this may or may not bring us to. Let's see what happens. Get a little bouncy McBouncerson in there. Dude, it's just rough. It's just not the same, man. Just not the same. I don't know. That's just how I feel about it. I'm looking for it to pull back down into something. Something, something, something. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Dude, I need a coffee soon. That's what I need. Daddy needs a coffee. I think it's Wednesday. Wait, hold on one second. Is it Wednesday? Dude, my dad is a complete fucking disaster. Oh, what up, Donna? Anybody in anything? Who's in something? I'm thinking about shorting. Honestly, what I would do about Apex, did you go on Twitter and at him and say what's up? Wait, dude, now you got me crazy. Is it really? Hold on. Now my dad. Dude, I'm looking at this shit right now for you. All right, tomorrow we have May 12th at. Oh, wow. CPI is tomorrow? Bro, Sean's been telling me it is on Wednesday. Dude, CPI tomorrow. I am going to rip fucking accounts. Oh, I'm going to smash and dash CPI tomorrow. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Oh, I'm definitely going to YOLO some accounts. I'll have some funsies. I'm trying to build. So, if you guys, anybody that's new here, I had 17 funded Apex accounts and they stopped running gold. So, I got payouts, but at the same time, I was playing NQ and it was like payouts and then whatever. But now I'm back building up all my accounts. And I'm actually building up a ton of accounts. I just realized that. Oh. Did that account did not get over? Wait, what? Dude, my trade day account isn't hold on 1 second. My trade day account's not up. What are you doing? Bro, I passed this stuff. Why didn't it go live? Trade day. It says I have a funded trade day account. Oh. I had to hit one button. They made me lick it before I had to click it. I was 50s. I was 50s and they were all over or around about 50. They were between 52,300 and 52,800. Uh I'm honest, like 80% of them hit an MAE rule once. So I had to grow them to 54,100 to get paid. But I did get paid, and when you hit there, you get max payout. So I took a bunch of $2,000 payouts. And then I'm super honest. Like trading NQ is definitely harder for me than gold. That's that's the honest truth. I trade them both. I would say I'm profitable with NQ, but I'm like super like when it comes to gold, I'm so confident in gold that right now I'm copy trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm copy trading 14 accounts. So I'm up 14 accounts, $185. to $200 in 14 accounts. That's if it's not letting you in, Bukar, I'll add you manually because you're not a bot. But normally, to stop people from signing up with like 30 YouTube names, Streamlabs makes you stay on the stream for like 20 minutes before you can enter. But I'll add you manually, being that you're an actual real person. Being that you're real, I got you. But yeah, people try to scam the system, so I gotta implement stuff to unscam it. Yeah, I play a lot of sweeps. I don't know. So I'm actually working on automating trading the NQ with real capital. So I'm mid that right now, and I think that like I do a lot of sweeps, come back. Use a lot of fair value gap inversions to enter in. Um, I'm trying to just automate it. I set up some automation with gold. Gold. But yeah, I just find that the price action, what I'm noticing right now is the price action in the afternoon is so muted. What up, Double O? So fucking muted. Like, fuck, my dad is like ridiculous. Um, Look at the price action earlier in the day, and literally it just dies out on everything. The fuck, man. I'm telling you now, in this market, you almost have to make your money early. Look, like we're moving, and then from I don't know, the last hour is just kind of muted. I don't know, man. I've never seen anything like it ever, 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 ever. I don't know. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'll email him one more time and say, hey, did you find anything? Let's see what he says. Oh, Austin, I'm trying to find the email, dude. I'm trying to find the email for you. How to participate. Just hang out on the stream. You'll see. You shall see. It's so easy. But better than that, are you actually trading? Salem? Are you actually trading? Well, I just sent them an email for you. Dude, I was looking at that. I was looking at that. The virus thing. I don't know, man. I don't know. I so I trade stock and options also, right? And it's interesting. I don't know what it's going to become. The problem is, here, let's ask ChatGPT just for fun, just for funsies. Um, how do you spell it? Let's see what ChatGPT says. Dude, it says human to human transmission is extremely rare. Does not spread easily between people. Yeah. Oh my god. I just asked it. I don't know. It's Korea. Well, what's it mean in Hebrew? It doesn't. It doesn't tell me. Yo, am I gonna be like Cove? I think now liquidity is very low for trading, almost ranging with no. Dude, you don't want to wake up on Sunday morning and some chick from the bar gave you the hantavirus. Yeah, that's what I have. Yeah, the some river. Yeah, I don't know. That's what it says. Listen, did you hear how it started though? Did you hear how the hantavirus actually started? So this is how I heard it started. So some guy apparently had rodents, and I guess he caught it from a rodent, didn't know he had it, and basically he went out shopping at like a store or something. Some guy was there bent down, like tying his shoe. And this guy walked right by him and farted in his face. And then that guy got it, and then he spread it. That's how I heard it started. Don't tie your shoes at the supermarket, guys. You never know. Never know what could happen. What up, Adam? Some guy got crop dusted, and then it spread. Never know. Never know. What up, Coop? Oh, it means scam or lie. It's funny how big of a deal the news is making. Dude, that's like, remember that cruise ship that everyone was shitting themselves and then and then like the toilet stopped working? Bro, they make a show called like the Poop Cruise or something like that? Don't go to the supermarket. Yeah, something, all this shit happened. Yeah, it's on Netflix, the Poop Cruise. That's all I want to do is get stuck on a fucking cruise ship with a bunch of people. Yeah, I'm good on that. Hold on one second. I got to turn my background on. I like the background to be. I like my background to be like this. Does this work better for everybody? Dude, it's rough, man. Oh my god, bro. Hold on one second. I'm gonna move this. I gotta move my fucking camera. Yo, this looks so much better, doesn't it? Boom. Was that background what I think it was? I shut my background off. I have a couch behind me. Why? What do you think it was, dude? It was just my couch. What do you think it is, Coop? Coop, what you watching? Yo, Coop is like, if anything happens to me, somebody has to clear my browser history. Yo, yo, too much casting, brother. Too much casting. How to switch it up? Oh man, yo, it looks like we're just gonna pop. To be honest with you, bro, that's fucked up. Bird watching? Yo, I heard that shit's for the birds. Yo, I was talking to somebody about that virus, and they were saying that it can make your nose grow. They said it can like keep growing was one of like the side effects. They said it can grow it, but it stops at 11 inches because if it goes to 12 inches, it would be a foot. Oh man, guys, need any more dad jokes? Uh, dude, I've had that one in my back pocket for like a week. I know you like it. You're going to be using that one. You guys laugh at my jokes, but I guarantee you guys are like, yo, you go home. Who told the towel joke? Let's start there. Who told the towel joke? I know one of you guys told the towel joke at home. That's how you fucking wave a towel. Oh man, that just took a long on NQ. I'm not following it, but that's what that was. That was a fib retracement alert. Duh fibs. Yo, what up, Matt? I know you love
Order
cheap prop
filled.
firms.
Order filled.
Uh Take Profit Traders running a deal. I know they're not as good as Throat Goat and the other ones that you use, but should I just take this off?
Order filled. Order filled.
$55 on something that I really don't trust. I'm okay with that. Yo, what up, P-Long? About to reach around and grab a few? Yeah, I grabbed two so far. I didn't realize CPI's tomorrow. I might grab one or two for CPI. I know you can't pass them in a day, but I might do like a 150 where you can get rid of like $4,500 in one day, where I don't have to sit and trade that shit. Runs until May 16th. Yeah, May 16th. CPI is tomorrow. When do evals you can. Evals you can do whatever you want with, Matt. It's all about it's all about the funded accounts that they don't want you doing that. What do I think? I think CPI is going to go up. It's hard to go against the trend, great. Every time we've been up. All this news goes up first and then dumps. It's just hard to go against it. I'm thinking. You would think inflation is going to go up. Kind of has to. Kind of has to. On Twitter, we're giving away TPT accounts. I am debating on something. Hims has earnings after hours. I don't know if you guys even follow Hims, but Hims has earnings after hours. I have a position in it, and I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. I'm just sitting here freaking debating, debating on what I want to do. 620. I mean, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna fucking. I don't know if they're gonna fucking allow it. Are they gonna buy me in with this spread? Fuck it. I just bought some. I just bought some more Hims. I don't know. I am so ready for a big pullback. I am too. I think the market has already adjusted to higher inflation data. Maybe I think you got to remember, like they expect inflation to be up, so a lot of it does get priced in already. Like, well, obviously oil is fucking up. Like, you know what I mean? Like a lot of that stuff is priced in. The market is usually future looking. So anything that's happening right now that's expected does not play such a big part as in, down the line. That's why stocks trade at multiples. They're looking down the line. Uh, you know, yeah, 5 minute doesn't look good. So I play gold. I'll play sometimes the bigger ones, but I usually play fib retracements. But I also play, like, for argument's sake, I'm going to show you. So you can play one of two ways. So say like this is the move, When it breaks this is Marie kind of started doing this and I liked it. You take it short and basically you're targeting the 50% line is like you could get rid of half at 50, move the other half to break even and then target down here. Um and normally if once you take it your stop is the zero line. So I play it a couple different ways. Um I don't know. Obviously it's working out. My main bread and butter is just a pullback for a scalp with size. Um, I did not really get that in there. My big move last night was this. So I took this. Actually, and that's it. I didn't go to the top of this, to be honest with you. And then I loaded up here, and then I pretty much sold. I think I got like $5 to $8 on gold, which was more than enough. Oil, you talking about CL crude? Yo, every time I've tried to play oil, it felt like freaking Diddy was dumping it on me behind. I I've lost every time I played oil. How I play oil, how I would play oil. I'm just looking like maybe you got the bottom right there, a bottom. You know, so this from this stage, you can call it, up, retraced right into my zone, my buy zone. Actually, you would have made like $2 on oil. Yo, dude, Hims is either going to be really good or really bad. So it is what it is. Fucking is what it is. I don't know. Listen, they're rolling out peptides. They now, so when they were without the Novo news, they were trading fucking 40 $60, and then the whole shit dragged it down. But they worked it out. I don't know. I don't see why it can't go back to 40s. Once they start rolling out peptides, so you got to think like the whole business model. Uh, it's a great business model because once you got the person in, you can kind of sell them anything, weight loss, whatever it may be. Like you just keep rolling out new products and you already have a customer base. So it's not difficult to roll out new products. Getting the customers is the hard part, and they got the customers. I'm not going to trade oil. I open it up just because you guys want to see something. I have no problem doing it. Um, that's how I look at stuff. Like if you want to see something, yeah, they have hers now. They have hims and hers. They hooked up a deal with Novo Nordisk. Uh, man, they're just blowing it out. We'll see what happens. But if these earnings are really good, I don't see it coming back down here. If the earnings are bad, I'm kind of fucked. But I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. I'm actually willing to hold it for over a year. I'm willing to hold it for about a year and a half. So when you're talking to me right now, I'm looking a year and a half from now. So I'm not really interested. Like I'm interested, but like it's not that big of a deal. Whatever happens right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sitting here being like, oh man, like if they don't do this quarter, I'm fucked. Like whatever. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. You have unique style and perspective in trading using fib. It works for you in gold. Just trade gold. That's how I am with a lot of things. And I tell everybody this. If you have something that works for you, you should fucking do it. And don't give a shit what Timmy on the fucking internet says to you. Like, who cares? Who cares what people are doing? And I'll be honest with you, a lot of the people you think are making money are not. You know how many times people come out that, you know, that guy that was selling courses for 3 years, 4 years, and came out and was like, guys, I'm not profitable. Like, you know how many people are buying his shit, spending time learning his shit, and then it's really just a fucking scam the whole time? You know, like, there's a lot of people on a lot of channels, even on some of these prop firm TV shows that are not making money. But you watch it and you follow them thinking they're good. Here, I'll even give you guys a little tidbit. How's this sound? Oh man, I was not going to do this, but I'll do it. So I had a thing recently where I was going on other people's streams and looking for their strategy. And once they came up and said what their strategy was or made a video about it or whatever, I basically would create a script on it. Right? And then I would backtest the script to see if the strategy is actually good. Majority of the time, it is not. Oh, I'm not going to say names, but I've taken people's strategies and they are not good. And then I forward tested them. I was like, you know what? Maybe the back tester's wrong. And then when you forward test it, and it's still not good. But yet they're on a stream telling everybody about their strategy every day. And then people are wondering why they're fucking blowing accounts every day because they're following people who are just, it's a blatant lie. If you're not seeing account numbers and the trades live and they're just telling you about it, most likely I put their strategy in and it sucks. I put it in, I built it on AI, I ran the back test, and then I ran the forward test, and it doesn't work. What up, Gastony? There's people that trade that win. I'm just saying that there's a lot of knots. There's a lot of knots, Knob. I've taken a lot of strategies. This thing's just hitting imbalance after imbalance. Boy, oy, 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 oy. There you go, Fred. Do I have BPR up? Oh, I do. Did he just fucking say something? Dude, what just came out? People are awful. I didn't eat anything for breakfast. I need CPI to save me? Why? What's wrong, Ray? You've been saved. Yeah, there's a lot. If you're seeing people, well, that's why they don't show account numbers, Fred, because they're turning and burning accounts. They only show you the ones that are up. I've never used a CFD firm, to be honest with you. I actually don't know the difference. I've only traded real money and prop firms. I've never done CFD. I trade real money with Tasty Works or Tasty Trade. Tilt? Yo, fucking knob. I'm guessing it wasn't that good. What's up, Tawan? But you know, people are trying to sell you shit. You don't need to buy anything. Oh. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't get. Yeah, I wish I got 4K worth of free accounts. I do not. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of turning and burning, man. It's fucking crazy. It's stupid, stupid. Any accounts I get, they tell me I have to give them away, to be honest with you. That's why they all have codes. I don't even think I'm supposed to use them. I just give them away. Maybe they use, I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to use those accounts. I don't know. I'm not that, maybe I'm not on the in. I'm going to take this back up to the upside, close over 404. Ray, what happened? Just tilt? What made you tilt, though? Were we longing? Are we shorting? What were we doing? CFDs, yeah. See, that's how much I know about CFDs. I don't lie to you and tell you that I know what Aquaman Futures is. Yo, who was that guy that fucking said he knew what Aquaman Futures is? Because it doesn't even exist. But he had to act like he knew everything. Bro, someone has that video. That shit's funny. Yeah, I doubt he paid for all that. I've traded gold on the crypto exchange. They have like what is it, like AUX on Mexi? Oh, what was that guy? Is his name like Hide the Cucumber or something like that? I think that's his name, Hide the Cucumber. Yeah, you can do it on Bybit. Then I've traded CFDs. I've done it on Mexi. 36 hours of no sleep and trading 3 funded? I thought you trade real. I thought you trade your personal now. I thought you were personal only. No? Damn, this is looking fucking nasty down here. You don't trade it without sleep? Definitely don't trade it without sleep. Ray, you need to trade that account right now. Yo, you got to think, though, if you've lost so many times, you're due for a big win. Mathematically, if you lost 10 straight times, you're probably going to win on the 11th. Yo, Killer, what up? You in anything? You trading? Yo, Coop, just keep the fucking party rolling, man. You should definitely full port on the 11th. Sooner or later, you're going to win. Took some L's, done for the day, yeah. I'll be honest with you, early morning was better, and then it just kind of sucked here. just kind of went eh. Yeah, Martin, just keep fucking going up higher and higher. Go so high that the next level you got to enter with 33 minis. Bro, I'm smashing CPI. If you want to smash CPI, come on the stream tomorrow. Definitely.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bum, 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 bum. Pump it! Bum, 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 bum. Don't need a lot of motherfucking trades a day. How many times do I got to say that? You don't need a lot of trades. 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 You need more spicy trades? Bro. Let me get out of this thing. Cole, what account size? I trade a lot of 50s. Knob says Saturday night was a complete and utter anal obliteration. Oh, today. Today. Oh. I thought you... What were you, just bottom ticked and top ticked? Give you some entertainment. Do I have any entertainment accounts? I probably do. Here, you want to be fucking entertained? I'll try to pass this on just pure scalps. Nice little rest candle.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
They're going to keep pumping this. Come on. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it up. Don't you fucking dare wick me out at the bottom. Dude, that looks so good for continuation, too.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think I got wicked out at the bottom, to be honest with you.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Doesn't look bad. I just want to get my money back. I literally got wicked out at the fucking bottom. That was a bottom wicking, if I've ever seen one. Jay Mizek, I don't really trade like that all the time. I'm up so much money right now. I don't really feel the need to like place a trade. Like I'm copy trading these accounts in like what I say, I think 14 accounts. So like I'm trading in Elite, I'm trading in a lot of other brokers, like not brokers, but a lot of other prop firms besides Apex. It's just being copy traded. Um, you know, so I just have Apex up, but like it's literally being copy traded. Wait, what the fuck? Whoa, what was that? Bro, did I fucking trade? Did I? Yeah. Okay. But here, I'll show you what it looks like. I'll show you guys. Because I don't have it up on the screen. I mean, I don't know. I got to figure out a good way to do it. If you guys know of a good way for me to show it on the screen all at once, let me know. I can't have Ninja. I can't run Ninja on this screen, but this is what my accounts look like on the day. Let me. There you go. Is that better for everybody? What up, Eric? I have one red account on the entire day. It's an Apex eval that I was dicking around with earlier today. But yeah, other than that, that's what my accounts look like today. That's a screenshot from my Ninja Trader. I would trade. Are you trading micros or minis? I use Replicanto. Coop. Koopaloop. Yeah, Replicanto. I also have no problem showing you my account numbers or anything like that, Bokar. It's not like I'm not hiding it. It's just I have two computers, so to lighten the load, so when I'm streaming, I don't when I'm streaming, I don't want it to bog down the computer I'm streaming on. So I run Ninja Trader on my laptop and I have my lead account on the one that you guys see, and then it just copies through all these other accounts. But yeah, things are pretty good today. That's why when like people are like, "Oh, you gonna trade?" I'm like, I really don't have to fucking trade. Like, if your accounts look like this, you probably wouldn't trade. You'd probably be like, "Oh, I'm done for the day." Like that's I don't feel the need, and the best way to do that is best way to trade is not feeling the need to trade, just waiting for the trade to come. But yeah, that's how I look today. So I don't even know how much money that is, but it's definitely nice. Dude, the difference between this stream and everything else, Nate, is literally like I find this to be a hangout. Like I at no point am telling you what to do or selling you anything. Like I think of it as just a fucking hangout and we're just hanging out. I want the trade to come all over me. I just want to hang out and have fun. Like if someone's new and they need help, I could definitely help you out. I got some scripts that you could use to maybe help you out as a beginner. I don't use them anymore. I don't use them, but like, you know, they're definitely helpful. Um, I don't know. I just like to chill out. Like this isn't like, oh guys, look how much money, like yeah, I'm doing well. Really honestly, this is the same as having $180 in one account, right? What's the difference? I made $180 in one account. It just so happens that I copied it over. But, it's base hits, 185 bucks, a lot of accounts. Obviously, some of these accounts I did more damage in, but I'm just saying, like, I don't know. I don't ever put myself like above anybody. It's just kind of like we're just fucking hanging out. I trade stock options also, buy stocks, options. Yo, it's midnight? Ah, well, dude, you're more than welcome to hang out anytime, dude. Yo, I have this. It's free if you want to hang out. Some of us trade gold at night. Uh, I don't know. If you want to hang out, we have a Discord that we chill in. Anybody's invited. It's free, obviously. Obviously, it's free. But also Sean streams at night if you're around. You want to hang out. Yeah, Sean stream. I was just literally saying that. Sean streams Asia. I'll probably pop in and out on Asia. Basically start streaming at nine in the morning. But yeah. Dude, gold hasn't freaking moved at all. At all, at all. Clint, all the way up. Nothing could stop us. Oh. Nah, gold's paused right now. Gold's not doing anything. I actually like this script. Um, Change in state script. What up, Chris? Yeah, especially for NQ. We're holding this FVG right here. How many do in gold? In gold, I start with 3 and I'll go up to 9 micros, sometimes 12 in a 50K account. Uh, Pretty much the same with NQ. I usually start off with 3, and I like starting off with 3 because it gives me the ability to scale in, where the first buy is not going to make or lose me a lot of money. But I can add if we dip or things like that. Start the giveaway. Don't you want to continue making money in trading? I thought you'd want to make money, keep making money with solid trades. U.S. sanctions some Hong Kong-based companies over IRGC ties. What up, Mick? Yo, I make money till 4 o'clock. I don't look at anything else. I'm trying to build up my fucking stack. I'm trying to build up my sack. I meant stack. Uh Trump is meeting with national security team today about Iran to see if we're going to move forward with the war. Yeah, I stream till about 4:30 Eastern time. And I'm on around 9 a.m., which is about a half hour before the market opens, before New York opens. Yeah. Yo, be sure, well, I show you subscribe. Tell any friends you want. Come hang out. We do account giveaways every day. It's just a way to give back to the community. And that's it. You know, it's pretty, it's the freaking best place to hang out. You know, also, like, everyone in the chat is somebody. Like, I answer everybody's message in the chat. Like, you don't just talk and it just scrolls through and no one sees what you're talking about. DCA with gold is exciting. Dude, you got that Florida heat down there. I feel like the NQ is definitely running out of steam, though. Just in general. Yo, my dad. Bro, my dad texted me about 87,000 times today about food, this, the other thing. Bro, he's not even coming to my house now. Stock up on cut rate evals. Dude, what's the shittiest firm that has the cheapest eval? I feel like you have strong mindset for trading. Well, I've been doing it. I've been trading in the markets, bro, since maybe 2007. Yeah, win or lose, I don't really care. It's just a number on the screen. And that's it, honestly. All the number does is it tells me I'm right or I was wrong. That's it. Just validation that I was right. I don't really worry about it either way. Like, it's cool obviously to win, but I'm not going to stress over a loss. I can't believe this motherfucker's bailing on me. What up, trading? I can't believe he's bailing on it. You make this little shit look super easy, Cove. Yeah. Well, first of all, I don't really go on tilt like you guys do. So, like, when I lose, you don't see me turn like $150 loss into an account blowage. You know what I mean? Like, The only time you see me trading, the only time you see me blow accounts is when we're just fucking around on the stream. And, and it's an eval. Like, I'm not blowing funded accounts, really. Bull nuts! Yo, XRP. I didn't say he was going out for milk. I just said he's not showing up. He's not showing up today. Oh, man. I mean, that's a head and shoulders. Straight ghosted. Yo, he told me he was going to fucking show up today. What the fuck, Ange? I don't even have a response to that. I have nipples, Greg. Can you milk me? Trump says we're doing smart business with China. 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 Yeah, I can't wait till he goes over to China, man. He's like, China. So stupid. Oh, man. It's what it's like. Oh, my hands. Is that VWAP? Is that WAP? Are we bouncing off a WAP right here?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I got an awful entry. The entry should have been like 10 points lower.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just a scalping McScalberson. I really should have got in at like 74. I would have made quick money. Scalpy McScalberson. Oh, man. All right. CPI is tomorrow. I know we said Wednesday, but it's actually tomorrow. Get freaking ready, peeps. Get yourself ready. Man, NQ's just... Gold hasn't gone fucking anywhere. That shit is whack. That shit's whack. Whackety whack. Gold sitting at 733 and just not freaking moving. This kind of has a head and shoulders feel, by the way. Feels like we're going to blow through back down to 287. Yo. I know what we can do. While we wait. For anyone new, you're just going to guess. Yo, it sucks after 2:30. All right, you're just going to guess a number 1 through 100. It's called the numbers game. You win, you go right to the finals. Ready, set, numbers game! Yo, hold on. Was that Wild Deuces? Yeah, you might have seen me. Yo, somebody got it. Somebody got it. It was 77. Steven Davis got it. What up, Steven? Yo, Wild Deuce. Wild Deuces. I was on My Funded Futures TV. I am unsure why they have asked me. They haven't asked me to come back. I don't think My Funded Futures likes me anymore. Bro, I don't think My Funded Futures likes me. They haven't asked me to come back. I don't know why. Yo, we do this every single day. We give away accounts every day, Wild Deuces. So if you want, smash the subscribe button. Come hang out. Why they don't want me to? I don't. Maybe too many winning trades. They don't want all the people winning. Bro, Coop, you should. I think they blackballed me. Yeah, you're going to you're in the finals also, senior. I already got it marked down. Yeah. I got it marked down. They don't want to see my fib. We do a random number 1 through 100, and first person that gets it goes into the finals race. So basically, everyone likes the duck races, so we run some ducks, and then the winners all play for an account. Just something fun that people like doing. It kind of just breaks up the day. What up, DBT? It just breaks up the day, so you're not like, I don't know, it just breaks it up. Something fun, something different. Trading can get monotonous, so just find ways of mark down with code Cove Trader discount. Dude, take profit trader, 50 off. Boom, bum, 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 bum. Oh man. Oh, I haven't had my afternoon coffee. I'm going to have my afternoon coffee after. Yo, I'll let you in, Wild. You pending? I'll let you in right now. I'm letting everybody in. Hold on. And then I got to go to all members. I got to let all these people in. So many people. So someone needs to tell Dude Numbers game is over. Yo, he's delayed. He's probably delayed and doesn't realize it. That'd be my guess. You're pending? I will unpen you. Alright. You should all be there. You should all be in the Discord. But yeah. Oh. Any of you new people, just throw it out. Oh, my back. My neck. My back. Um Someone asked me for access to all the indicators. I am literally just ripping uh I'm just ripping names down the list. So if you guys want, I just literally sign in here at the end of the day and anybody's name that's on it. But that's where you get access to it. The big toe? Send feed pics. Yeah, my funded TV. I don't know. I don't know if they like me anymore. I've been I think I've been written off. I don't know why. I don't know why. Which one's gross, the big toe or the green balloon, Nate? Yo, when I'm dipping my toe into a trade, I gotta show people. Yo, how do I get added to the copy share? Yo, you know what's funny is? Yo, people have asked me, DBT, like, yo, man, can I just give you an account on and I'll pay for the trade syncer and you just sync one of your accounts to trade syncer and then, I'll just copy those trades? Bro, you don't even know, man. The big toe. Yo, you don't even know, DBT. I've gotten emails about all sorts of shit. People ask. People ask me a lot of different things. That's one of those things. I'm like, bro, I'm not passing your accounts. I'm not trading for you. Yo, DBT. Yo, people asked about the copy trader. What do they think? I'm gonna start a little hedge fund and collect 400K from everybody in the Discord and start trading for them? Come on, man. Yo, Austin, I heard back from Apex. Are you there? Yo, DBT. Yo, DBT. Ah, you know what I'm talking about. Yo, start collecting from my 400K hedge fund. Um, Yo, Austin, I heard back from Apex. If you're here, so I guess you can answer. Do you want me to say what Apex said on the stream, or would you like me to send it to you via DM on Discord? You want me to? Yeah, I know you're here. Do you want me to say what they said on stream, or would you like me to send it to you in Discord in a private message? I don't know what yes is. Just write send here. Oh, go for it. They say that you're on a compliance watch list. You've been flagged for account churning, gambling behavior, plus multiple ongoing rule violations. I would email them and try to straighten it out. Sean. No, he said yes, go for it. I would email them and try to straighten it out. Cove, choose one, blonde, brunette, or redhead. I don't know, man. I would email Apex and just, I mean, obviously you know your accounts and how you were trading. I would kind of say, hey man, I got a little fucking degenerate behavior in me, and I turned a bunch of accounts, and I'm just trying to get an answer if I'm going to get paid. Yo, did I hear back from Dell? Let me see. I was never heard back from Dell. I never heard back from Dell. Not yet. I emailed them today though. I emailed them back today. What's up, everybody in the chat? Say what's up. All the new people. Yeah, I never heard back from him, so I can't really help. I really don't know. I just was letting you know what happened. Yo, what up, Reese? Is he dead? Yo, what you don't realize is Dell is literally in a dog cage next to Marie's trading desk. What's in Discord? I don't see anything in the main Discord. I don't see anything in the main Discord, Mick. I see XRP saying welcome newbies. Yeah, Austin, listen. That's what I got. I told you I would do my best to get an answer. I don't know how many singular. I don't really know. Obviously, I'm not you. I would send an email and just ask, but I'd write it out professionally. What up, Mason? Bro, every time I see the word Mason, it reminds me of that now because the Knicks are in the playoffs, the old Knicks song, Mason Your Face. Remember that song? I forget how it goes, but I do remember that one fucking line where he's like, you got mace in your face. Oh, man. NY. Yeah, they're like, go New York, go New York, go. Oh, they redid it in 2024. I don't really know. I don't really have an answer for you. Probably most likely not. If you have a bunch of MAE violations also, that's probably not going to help you. Hello, Maria. Hello. How's your new job? Oh. What is an MAE violation? So on the old accounts on Apex, you really couldn't lose more than 750 or $770 in one trade. Yeah, well, I mean, I don't know how many like if you have like 30 violations on your other accounts, they're probably not pleased with that. I don't know. I would write a long email explaining that maybe you didn't know about the violations. I don't know. I don't know how I'd go about it. I've only violated it 2 times, 3 times, but I was copy trading. Puppy training is puppy training is a lot of work. I had to do it to my wife for about 6 months before she like understood like extra mayo on the sandwich, fold the bed this certain way. I need my clothes cleaned every 3 days. You need to do the wash, just dump everything out. I had to really train her for a while. Only gets violated. Yeah. I was like, vacuuming, you know, she's got to know. Got to know. Man, I'm just waiting to get that AI robot. Bro, imagine having that AI robot doing all the shit for you around the house. No one's going to bitch. Are you still watching the Nick game? MOC won't let me be. You going to smash MOC? Oh, man. Yo, this market didn't go anywhere today. Yo, when she's washing the nanny's underwear. Disciplined dollars. Is it a long weekend for you guys this weekend? I don't know. Why? What's this weekend? If you're talking about Memorial Day, it's like later on in the month. Dude, how do you not put 44 in? How do you not put 44 in? I just don't understand that. It's like the biggest boner move there is. Yeah, ours is the end of the month. You guys played MOC?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I was looking at the 5 minute, and we actually get over 430. We have a nice inversion. But you have a little change of state. Really? You couldn't get me out of one fucking contract? What? What is that shit? Hey, Cove, should I send the help ticket to your guy that got. No, my guy is done. My guy has told me that that's the most he could do. My guy isn't even the guy that handles it. He's just an affiliate manager that I know. I would write a real email and say, "Hey, man, I obviously rotated through a bunch of accounts, and I didn't know that this would affect payout or whatever. Like, what's going on?"
Order filled.
I'm out before this rejects and comes back down fucking 16 points. Yeah, Austin, that's what I would focus on. Honestly, if like just from whatever, I would trade take profit trader, Austin. There are no rules there. Zero rules. So I'm just, fuck me, man. I knew. Oh my God. I'm tired. There's no real news. Oh, earnings. You have hymns after hours. You got plug. Nothing that's going to really move the market. Oh, you got C Limited tomorrow? You got C Limited tomorrow. Nah, yeah, nothing crazy. Just hymns. Hymns. Dude, they just took off with gold.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. It's real cove trader at gmail.com. You got filled on the short? May the odds forever be in your favor. Bro, I'm trying to play this for like 10 points. 10 points. Market, just give it to me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait. Boop. Boop. Bing. Bing. Boop. Wait. Boop. 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 Are you shitting me? You really couldn't get my order right there? Oh, you suck, NQ. You suck. You suck so much.
Order filled.
Oh. Boom. Yo, oh shit. Man, I'm waiting to wake up and us be down like 3.5%. I'm just waiting for the 3.5% down move. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. They're going to run this into close? Are you going to run into close? What up, Punisher? Hello. What have you been up to, man? Freaking making money over here. Come on. Push it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Nah, I just figured you got stuff going on. Bro, I'm smashing it, TJ. You don't even know. I'm looking to pass accounts on it. Dude, I'll be honest with you, we've been green pretty much every day for like weeks. Like, here, I'll even show you. Can I shrink this? I mean, this isn't even including today. Just fucking green. Fucking just green. Payouts, green. I don't know. Would I, for payout, for payout. Oh, I'm not doing this. I am not doing this. I haven't updated it since before, but I mean, here. You want to see what my freaking thing looks like? Here you go, Punisher. This is pretty much what my accounts look like. So you only, here. I'll leave that there for everybody. Yeah. Just rolling. This is mostly done live. It's either done live or I post my entries way before I even get filled in the Discord. I don't know. Oh man, fucking yawning. But things are going good. Things are going good. Just building back better. Boom, 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 boom. What up, Lolly? I need these Range Rover numbers. Yo, it's not like honestly, like it's like everything that has $185 in it was basically one trade. I took one trade, hit $185 in like 12 or 14 accounts. I have an account to YOLO, helpful if that matters. I got a YOLO job. Like, why not? Why not just fucking straight send it? If they were doing the team competition, I'd probably care. I don't like listen, like, oh my god. I'm gonna say this again. There's a lot of people telling you shit about strategies, and the strategies are not true. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I've been going through channels, taking out their strategy and building it in AI, and then letting it backtest, and then the backtest looks like shit. And then I pull it and I forward test it, and the forward test is shit too. But yet they're on a stream telling you about these great strategies every day, and they don't work. Just an FYI. I'm not going to start outing people, but you should definitely pay attention. If you're not seeing the account numbers on their accounts every day, they're probably turning and churning about accounts. Like, something to keep out. Something to keep an eye out for. Hims probably is coming out now. Hims says 405. Yo, that's hysterical. Yo, you know what it is? I started to get into what's the best strategy I found? Honestly, when you mix a fib pullback in with any other strategy, it definitely is like has been the key when I was building these. And I'm not saying it's 0.70 or it's 0.78 or it's whatever. The fib pullback is different on NQ than ES and gold. Yes, CPI is tomorrow at 8:30. But I have found when you combine fibs with some of the other things, it typically nets you a better result. I found anything where you're buying some type of dip has been better. Like everyone's like, oh, the breakout of this and the breakout and all this shit. Like those strategies have been shit for the most part. Yeah, it's getting you in at a discount. Um, it's just something I've noticed through building. I mean, I've been building these things now for I don't know, 2 months, 3 months, just playing around with it. Um, you could trade evals on news, not funded accounts. That's the only rule they have is you can't trade funded accounts on news. So each one, so depending on if you're using like the 15-minute fib, the 30-minute fib, uh, it definitely changes on what the percent pullback you're looking for is. That's what I've noticed. Um, same thing with like orb plays. Like everyone plays the orb for a breakout. The better of the results have been sweeps and coming back through the orb. I think the ES was like a 30-minute was the best, and NQ was either 15 or hour, but it was different. Also, I noticed when back testing strategies, ES actually has been the best on strategies. So a lot of the strategies in TradingView suck. I was going through them. So DBT asked me last week if I can just use any strategy in TradingView. So I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start going through them to see like if there's any good ones. There hasn't been any ones that I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this one. I played around with Super Trend and all the shit that you would play around with. Um, yeah, ES has less wicks. It's definitely been better. I'm just looking to see if I'm looking to see if Hims is out actually. Oh, what is this? Oh man, it's so yo, Hims did not EPS is down. Revenue is a little less than estimate. It is not. Yeah. Yo, they missed on EPS and revenue. Yo, Hims missed on EPS and revenue, and it's still up. Oh, that's because it's a free account. You're not paying for TradingView, Maria. If you don't pay for TradingView, you can only use the two indicators. What Tradeivate is giving you is the data, and then the free plan is only two indicators. It's still up. I mean, yo, for a double miss, their guidance is good, I think. So they guided. I don't know. Year over year revenue is up. Subscribers grew up 9% year over year. Bro, this is like, I'll be honest with you, Hims is like Netflix. Remember when Netflix kept coming out with earnings? All they care about is subscriber growth. That's all they give a shit about. Because if you're growing subscribers, at the end of the day, you can turn more profitable or more revenue because you just put more products out there and you can boost revenue. Like if they want to, they can just roll out a ton of revenue, right? Like they can roll out 4 products in a month and then, revenue boosts. But subscribers is where it's at. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh shit. The real story isn't the earnings. It's the FDA commissioner who forced them to pull their $49 a month GLP-1 pill is reportedly getting fired, which means they can bring the pill back probably. That's an entire revenue. Yeah, their entire revenue will change overnight. It's hard, bro. It's so hard. Oh, man. I don't know. Listen, if it settles somewhere around here, I'm perfect. I'm still fine with it. I told you, I bought it. Uh, I'm holding it for like 2 years. I'm not really worried. What the absolute fuck was that?
Order filled.
Oh shit, that's minis?
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh! Who's cooking, boys? Yo, I think that was like $600, $500. Yo, what's up? Yo, I just straight cooked 2 minis on that. Yo, ho! Dude, that was a straight up Rippy McRipperson back up. Hey, if you like green, just fucking stay on the stream. Dude, that was just an entry. Yo, I didn't even know what happened. Actually, I brought up news. Oh, the United Arab Emirates has carried out military strikes on Iran, including an attack on a refinery on Iran's Lavon Island. Oh, shit. Things are heating up. I was going to pound it with like 9 micros. Instead, I hit it with 2 minis. Stockich said he was just in oil, made 1.1700 in a half a second. Bro. Yo. Yo. That shit was wild. Yo, new highs, baby. New highs. Yo, CPI tomorrow. All right, we're going to run the ducks. We'll run the ducks. Quack, quack. Quackity, quack. Who wants to run the ducks? You ready? All right, couple things. We're going to run the ducks to see who won. We're giving away Take Profit Trader accounts. If you want to join, here it is. Take Profit Trader, 50% off, no activation fee, code Cove Trader. Boom. We're going to give away 2 of them on Friday on the stream. 76, baby. Yo, we hit 100. You know what the deal is. You hit 100. Hit 100 peeps on the stream. We know what the deal is. Call grandma. Call grandma's friend that gives the best gummers. Tell her to come hang out. All right. So what we do is we'll do some duck races and the winners all play for an account. We play some music. We hang out. We have some fun. If we hit 100 on the stream, we're giving away 2 TPT accounts on Friday, deuces.
hearts on my screen. Working man's dream in the future's machine. Got my apex pass, take profit too. 5 prop firms funded, got nothing to lose. Stream goes live at 5 a.m. Discord warriors, every one of them. Giveaways daily, but that ain't the point. Community strong, we own this joy. Monster dildo candle Monday, giveaway time.
Yo, new people are like, what?
Monster dildo candle Monday, giveaway time. Sean C on the mic, let me tell you what's real. Come for the community, not just giveaway deals. If you're begging for a handout, you'll never succeed. Real traders grind hard, that's the only creed. Golden shower, pocket blasting in the
Oh, man.
Thick girl Thursdays, bringing all of that back. This Discord's built different, we got heart and soul. Play Sean C songs while you chase that goal.
I'm loading.
These candles, every trader's pain. Praying for volatility, praying for rain. Then it breaks through like thunder in the night. Green confetti falling, everything's alright.
We ready? Bro, that was a monster dildo candle right there. Monster. Oh. Good way to end it.
15 payouts locking in this month.
Boom.
Funded account, I'm feeling triumphant. NQ rockets like a missile in the sky.
Damn, Hims is just fucking dumping after hours.
Let it fly. My funded futures Tradeify in hand.
They better say some shit after hours.
Funded man. Chat scrolling fast. Mods keep the peace. Then the breakout hits and the profits release.
Yo, Maritimes, you here?
Monster dildo candle Monday, giveaway time. Monster dildo candle Monday, giveaway time.
Yo, where's Maritime?
Someone yelled from the trading floor.
Yo, Maritime, I hope you're not deucing.
Cove trader, fucking getting it right.
No deucing.
Dildo candle
No duck deucing.
giveaway time.
Gotta be on the stream when it happens. No duck deucing.
Monster dildo candle Monday.
We all know it. Trying. Dude, what? Oh, I clicked the wrong fucking button. Oh, that's why. I pressed the wrong button. I can't see my duck. Yo, Lee B making the move with the YMCA construction duck.
Yeah.
Yo, Lee B, you on here?
We scaling up. 100 tick balls.
Yo, Lee B, I hope you're not deucing, Lee B. Don't be deucing. Smash the freaking like button.
Yeah. MQ to ain't you. Wake up early, screens glow blue. Coffee black, futures cued. NASDAQ moving, yeah, the ladder alive. Dime star flicker when the buyers arrive. Matt don't chase, now he anticipates. See the thing.
Yo, Lee B, you got 10 seconds.
Now he's stalking the goal, 100 tick chart. Volatility high, 3 to 7 ticks. Hitting goodbye.
I hope you weren't.
No pray and spray, bracket set tight. Get paid same day.
Where's your duck? I don't know. Half of them go off the screen. Look, you can't see everybody's duck, and then they just kind of go off the screen.
That green, MQ to NQ.
I see he's in there. Yo, he got off the toilet bowl, bro. He was like, just running to the fucking computer. I'm here, guys. Yo, pants around the ankles, just shimmying over. Yo. Boom, that's how we finish today, boys. Yo, Bob, you here? Bob! Somebody call Baba. Bob! I got you. Dude, that's crazy that they're carrying out those things. I was looking to see what we can do. Bro, why isn't it going? Oh no.
Yeah. Now yo, fight, yeah.
Yo, who's got the refrigerator camel toe? Who's got that guy? Oh man, Libby pushing up. Yo, Maritime is a buggy with a camel. Was that a camel buggy? Yo, Lee B. Yo, I haven't seen the shark guy. That's the main guy. Bob, you are a rhino toaster with actual bread in it. Steven Davis. Steven Davis. Boom. Yo, what up, Brett? Yo. He's taking a deuce. Wants me to send it to you, Brett. Boom. Yo, send me an email. Yo, we're streaming tonight at 8 p.m. You guys gonna be here or what? I should probably put the thing in. I probably should have put it in right before. Whew. Yo, Coop, we do need one. You got poker night? Oh, man. Yo, I'll tell you what. Asia's probably going to move around today with everything that's going on. Whoa. Oh, man. Yo, Knicks, 8 more wins, baby. 8 more wins for the Knicks, and we got it. Any questions? Anyone new have questions about anything? Questions? Anything. This is the best time to ask. Right? Best time to ask. I could show you whatever you need to see. CPI going to force a small. I think CPI is. I'm just playing the flash. It's going to. I think it's going to flash up. I don't know what it's going to do after that, but I'm going to play it live so you can see what I look like, Brett. It's going to be out there. But yeah, I'm going to just put my orders out there and whatnot. Boom, 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 boom. Aquaman futures. Yo, where's my fucking Instacart? Where's my Instacart is the better question. Bro, this guy's got my dinner. Oh, it's arriving by 6 p.m. Anywhere I can see him? Can I watch him? I need my order. Oh, what are you guys doing? Oh, I just cracked my ankles. Text him. Yo. Going to bed, sir. All right. Night, night. Night, night, man. I'll see you later. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. What was I gonna do? All right, I'm out. I'll see you guys tonight if you're around. I am gonna go relax.